Wow, nice. Nakakahiya. Pero ngayon, punta tayo sa Esplanade. Dito tayo tatawid sa Devonport. Kasi pumunta tayo dun sa Devonport chocolate, something like that. Kasi sikat yun dito sa New Zealand. So, tara, punta tayo. Hinahanap ko tuloy ko saan yun. Alam ko dito yun eh. Kanan to. Ngayon guys, ito ni Devonport Chocolates kasi sikat siya dito. So, pasok tayo sa loob, tapos bili tayo ng something. Kahit diet tayo, pero bibili na tayo ng konti. Okay? Hey!
How you said?
Hmm?
How you said?
Good, and you?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Do you need help looking for anything?
No, just browsing around. Yep, cool. Thank you.
You know the mixture. I mixed already.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The main vegetables,
Only white chocolates.
Passion fruit. Happy birthday. Okay, ito we're good.
I offer you a taste of dark chocolate and raspberry.
Dark chocolate.
I know that was
Thank you.
okay.
Yeah.
Want to try? Yep.
It's a bottle of red wine in there as well.
What's this one? Dark chocolate.
That's pretty
I can take the little paper cup.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's alright.
Mmm.
Yeah, let's just go in there.
I want to get more.
Friends, hirap mamili. Tapos may mga after dark selection sila.
Will you get two of them?
Salt caramel, wow.
Here? Okay.
Chewy caramel, okay. And then
See what they are?
And then, salted caramel truffle bar.
This one, there's
You wanna get
two
it?
of each
Mhm.
flavor.
Mga friends, kukunin natin tong chewy caramel bar. Tsaka tong salted caramel truffle bar. Tatry natin.
These are very New Zealand.
Ito, cute siyang tignan eh. Kaya lang, hindi natin chocolate. Ano to?
This is our chocolate citrus. That's
I wanna
very
try.
classic.
Yeah.
Okay. And last yung hazelnut.
More nutty flavors
Ano to?
and
Corbiel.
mint flavors and caramel.
Petit treats.
As well as some of the
Which will be the most popular?
potentially.
All for today.
Yeah, just those.
Yep, and we will order the salted caramel chewy bar.
You want a salted
Yep,
caramel
yep.
chewy bar? I can do it. Was that the salted caramel chewy bar?
Yep. And then the chewy caramel bar.
The chewy caramel bar?
Yep.
Oh, sure.
And then one of the strawberry rose as well.
So what would you like there?
And then one hazelnut. This one.
Yeah.
Cool. That's so. And this should be.
rosé doesn't have any alcohol, or it?
It is an
It does.
alcohol.
So cup soup? You'll have that in one bag.
Yep.
And then another bag with
Sorry, I'll just get them.
Yep, sure.
gravy
Nice.
rolls, yeah.
Have a lovely
You too. Thank you. And guys, medyo nabudol tayo ng Devonport chocolates. So let's try this at home. And yeah, nakapunta na kami dito last 2018 or 17. Pero ngayon lang kami ulit nakabalik due to pandemic. So let's go home and let's try this Devonport chocolate. So I would suggest pag punta kayo dito sa Devonport sa New Zealand, try nyo to kasi kilalang kilala sila dito. So yeah, let's enjoy it. Mga friends, kain muna tayo ng merienda. Nakakapagod. Chocolate. Dito tayo sa Esplanade, sa Devonport. Ice cold chocolate, kahit na malamig. Currently 18 degrees ngayon sa labas. So, yun. Enjoy natin tong ating merienda. Yan. Ngayon, nag-order kami ng chicken popcorn. Yan. Yan, yan Yan. So ito yung merienda for this afternoon. Chicken popcorn and iced chocolate with the fireplace. Mamaya tikman natin itong ating biniling chocolate kanina sa Devonport. Yan. Check natin na mamaya. Okay. Kain muna tayo, mga friends. Para hindi lumamig ang ating food. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Init pa, masarap. So good. Ayan, mga friends, tapos na yung ating food. Masarap siya. And then, tatry natin binili natin chocolate. Ayan. This one. Yung mga sample na truffle, caramel chewy. Ayan. Ito yung petit hazelnut. At saka ito yung tanggal ko na. Pero ito ko siya makuha. Ano pa kayo? Rosé, strawberry rosé. And white chocolate. Yan. Try ko muna itong since ito yung last, tatry ko siya. Tatry natin siya. Lagay natin yung
Hello. Hello, how are you?
Good, yourself?
We're in for beer.
may feeling siya. May alak to May real rosé ito. Baka malasing tayo. Pero masarap. At yung hazelnut.
Yeah, it was spice.
Try natin. Hindi ko na nakuha yung hazelnut.
I'll stir up.
Pero meron talaga siya sa loob. Ang sarap din. Ito yung chewy caramel. Pakita ko na ito, di ba? Parang siyang Cloud9, yung social. Kaya naman dugit sa ipin. Ang sarap. This is the last one, yung salted caramel chewy truffle. Ang sarap. Hindi ko yung laway ha. Talagang yun yung truffle na parang nag-fudges sa loob. Ang sarap ng contrast ng salt tsaka chocolate. Amongst the four, lahat masarap eh. Actually. Pero siguro yung ito, chewy caramel. Baka nostalgic na lasa, parang siyang Cloud9 or Big Bang. Na walang mani, syempre. Walang peanuts. And then, ito, excited ako dito. So, ano siya? Marshmallow, apple and cinnamon covered in milk chocolate. Hirap magbukas. Hirap yan magbukas. Nagkalat ako, pero Sana guys sipain dito dahil kumakain tayo ng hindi nila pagkain. Pero yan, nag-order naman tayo. So ito siya. Marshmallow to sa loob eh.
I can't take your heart, 'cause we're not in love. This wouldn't be fair to you. And if we took this far, it's not strong enough. I don't think I'm meant for you. I can't.
Parang lahat masarap. Ang sarap. Ang bango ng marshmallow. Parang mabango pa sa akin to eh. Parang sarap na. Hindi ko na babalik. Ubusin ko na to. Pero guys, super recommended ko yung Devonport chocolates tsaka itong mga ganito nila. Ang sarap siya. Ang sarap na ito. Bili nga ako. Bibili ulit. Pero yeah, sarap. So, ubusin ko to guys. And then, see you later. Hindi ko na... Ito hindi na ito syempre kakainin kasi dark chocolate eh. Pang-bake to. So, panag-bake tayo yan. Tsaka itong isa pa. Yung pang-hot drink natin. Sa gabi. Yan. Yan. So, catch you again guys. Ubusin ko muna ito. Wow. And mga friends, after natin kumain, habulin natin yung ferry. Kasi kailangan natin bumalik sa Auckland CBD via ferry again. And ito na yung chocolate natin. May natira pa to. Pero, yari ito sa bahay mamaya. So, tara, tawid na tayo. Ayan mga friends, ngayon pauwi na kami. Ito na yung ferry papuntang Auckland CBD, pabalik. So ngayon every 15 minutes yung interval para makabalik kami doon. So yeah, enjoy the view.
Very good. Yes.
We've got a plan now to, when we get off the ferry on the other side, find another place, you know, similar to last night, to have a glass of wine. Oh, this is very different to coming over.
Baba na tayo. Siyempre, gagamitin natin itong ating AT-Hub. Pababa. Bibili tayo ng skincare. Kung maabutan pa natin kasi it's currently 5:03. Pero mukhang maabutan natin kasi hanggang 6 PM yung bibila natin. Ayan mga friends, nakauwi na ng bahay. Nakauwi na ako ng bahay and grabe yung maghapon today. Ang dami namin ginawa. Ang dami na videohan. So, ito yung binili ko sa Hikoko. Kasi nga, again, mag-winter na ngayon. So, kailangan na moisturize sa mukha. So, ito siya. Yung isang nirecommend ni ate. Hindi ko nakikita niya maganda. Para daw sa, ma-eye bags natin. Pero hindi siya depuffer. Hindi siya masyado daw depuffer. Pero it helps daw a lot sa eye bags. Especially pag tawag dito, pag puyat, ganun. So ito yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa face. Hyaluronic acid. Moist cream. Kasi ito yung mas thicker formula. May mas, may mas thinner. Pero ito works well sa skin ko. Pero, minsan napapansin ko, pag sobrang lamig, kulang siya. Sa morning, parang bandang hapon, nawawala na. So, ito, nagtanong ako kay ate kanina. So, ito yung sinuggest niya. Yan. Sabi niya, mas thicker. Tapos, tinry ko siya kanina. Maganda nga siya. So, hopefully, maging okay talaga yung result. And babalitaan ko kayo kung ano yung effect na ito sa mukha. Yan. So, ito lang yung tatlong binili natin. Yan, ito. Sa Hikoko dito sa Auckland. Kasi nandoon na rin naman na tayo. And ayun yung chocolate na binili natin sa Devonport. Yan. Ubusin natin yan. So, yun lang guys. See you again sa susunod na ating vlog. And yeah. Bye-bye. Good night. Jacob, come. Come here, Jacob. Come here. Good. Down. Stay. Leave it. Up. Stay. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Up. Leave it. Stay. Yes. Good boy. Ay, bye-bye!